Get ready to revolutionize the way you experience performance, silence, and style with the bequiet. Pure Base 600. This isn't just a case. It's the ultimate powerhouse designed for those who demand nothing but the best. Whether you're crafting a gaming beast, a content creation machine, or a silent workstation, this case is engineered to deliver uncompromising performance while keeping noise to an absolute minimum. Ready to take your build to the next level? Let's see why the Pure Base 600 is the perfect choice for you. With the Pure Base 600, you're in complete control. Imagine the freedom to switch between maximum airflow for intense, high-powered performance or silent operation when you crave peace and tranquility. The removable top cover is the secret ingredient, allowing you to customize the case to fit your exact needs. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating, you can easily adjust airflow to suit the task at hand, ensuring your system always runs at its best. Power or peace, you decide. Here's where the bequiet. Pure Base 600 truly shines. Equipped with Pure Wings 2 fans, this case ensures you get the best of both worlds, exceptional cooling and unbelievable silence. These fans are designed with precision to optimize airflow while dramatically reducing noise. Experience quiet operation without compromising on cooling performance, no matter how demanding your tasks get. And with the 3-step fan controller, you're in control of the noise level, whether you're pushing your system to its limits or running it quietly during low-intensity tasks. Silence at its finest. A cluttered build is a thing of the past with the Pure Base 600. With thoughtful cable management features, this case helps you keep things clean and organized. Not only does it look better, but organized cables contribute to better airflow, ensuring your system stays cool and efficient. Dust filters at the front, top, and bottom further protect your components from unwanted particles, so your PC stays clean and performs at its peak. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to a neat, streamlined setup that maximizes both aesthetics and performance. The Pure Base 600 doesn't back down when it comes to cooling. With room for up to a 360mm radiator, this case is ready for anything. Whether you're into high-performance gaming or heavy-duty rendering, the spacious interior gives you the flexibility to install powerful cooling solutions that keep your system running at its absolute best. And don't forget the insulating mats and decoupled HDD mountings. They work together to reduce vibrations and mechanical noise, ensuring that your system remains silent and stable even under load. Built to stay cool under pressure, this case has you covered. The Pure Base 600 doesn't just perform like a beast, it looks like one too. With stylish black and eye-catching orange accents, this case gives you the flexibility to create the perfect look for your build. Want to show off your components? The tempered glass side panel offers a stunning view of your hardware in all its glory. Or, if you prioritize silence, the solid side panel further dampens noise while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. Whether you're creating a bold statement or aiming for a quiet, minimalist look, the Pure Base 600 delivers the flexibility to match your style. The Pure Base 600 is built for those who dream big. With a spacious interior, this case can accommodate large components, including high-end graphics cards and massive cooling solutions, so you can build a system that keeps up with the latest hardware. Say goodbye to compatibility issues. This case gives you the room you need to build your ultimate machine. And for those who want to take things further, the vertical GPU mounting option lets you showcase your graphics card in a unique, customized way. Expansion has never been easier. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional, the Pure Base 600 is designed to support your ambitious projects. It offers optimal cooling, quiet operation, and endless expansion options, so you can focus on what truly matters: performance. Built with the highest standards of reliability, this case is ready to take your PC to new heights. Your system will be ready for anything with the Pure Base 600 by your side. When you're ready to take the next step, Sirius Power PC is your trusted partner. As an official premium partner of bequiet, Sirius Power PC provides expert guidance and top-tier components for your custom PC build. From personalized advice to seamless assembly, they ensure that your system is perfectly optimized for peak performance. No matter the complexity of your project, Sirius Power PC is with you every step of the way, offering unparalleled expertise and support to help you build the perfect PC. The bequiet Pure Base 600 is more than just a case, it's the foundation of your dream PC. Offering power, silence, and versatility, it's designed to deliver unmatched performance for any application. Whether you're cooling a gaming rig, building a content creation powerhouse, or setting up a quiet workstation, this case exceeds expectations. It's not just about meeting your needs, it's about delivering a superior experience. Ready to build the perfect PC? Trust Sirius Power PC, an official premium partner of bequiet, to guide you through the process. With their expertise and top-quality components, you can rest easy knowing your system is being built to the highest standards. Visit Sirius Power PC today and take the first step toward your dream build.